Good morning, everyone. Students, let's learn operation with large numbers today, which involves the methods of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of large numbers that are exactly the same as with smaller numbers. In our previous classes, we have learned that to add or subtract two or more numbers, we arrange them in the columns as per the place value chart. To add or subtract, we begin from the right with ones, then tens, hundred, thousands, and so on. In addition problems, the numerals which are to be added are called addends. They are called addends, and the result is called the sum. In the problem of subtraction, the number to be subtracted is known as subtrahend, and the number from which it is to be subtracted is called minuend, and the result is called the difference. We shall now learn more about these basic operations on large numbers. Now, let us do addition first. For example, we have to add these three numbers. For example, we have to add 7,25,321 with 28,254 and 17,28,348. So these three numbers will be known as addends. So if we try to add these addends, we will get the sum. If we add 8, 4 and 1, we will get the answer 13. So we can't write 13 together. We will carry 1 on the tens digits so that this 1 will be added to the tens digits. Again, if we add 5, 2, 4 and 1, we will get 12. Again, 1 will be carried over to the hundreds place. Again, add 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1, that is 9. Being 9 as ones place, we don't need to carry any number on another place. Then 8 plus 8 plus 5 is 21. So 2 being tens will be forwarded to another number and 1 will be written here. Again, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 8. Therefore, 7 plus 7 is 14, 1 will be carried, and 1 plus 1 is 2. Therefore, the sum of these addends will be 24,81,923. Now, let us do subtraction. For example, we have a number 88,43,576. which is known as minuend, because this is the number from which we have to subtract another number. So, we have to subtract 64,59,686, which is known as subtrahend. Always remember, in subtraction, we have to write smaller number downsides and bigger number on the top. If we write smaller number on the top and bigger number in the bottom, we will get the wrong answer. So, 88 lakh is bigger than 64 lakhs. So, it will be easily subtracted from bigger number. So, let us begin with subtraction. If we subtract 6 minus 6, that is 0. So 7 is smaller than 8, we will borrow 1 from 5. So it will become 17. If we subtract 8 from 17, we will get the answer 9. In the same way, we have given 1 to 7. So it is 4 only. Now 4 is smaller than 6. We will borrow 1 from 3. So it will become 14. So 6 minus 14 is 8. Again, this is 2 now. Now we have to borrow 1 from 4 so that it will become a bigger number than 9. So 12 minus 9 is 3. Now this 4 will be 3 only. Now again we are going to borrow one number from 8 so that it will become 13. So 13 minus 5 is 8. So it is only 7. We don't need to borrow any number from any other number because 4 is already smaller than 7. So we don't need one more number here. We don't need to tens number here. So 7 minus 4 is 3. Here we have not given any number to any number. So it is same as 8. So 8 minus 6 will be 2. So the difference obtained from these two numbers is 23,83,890. Now let us do multiplication. Multiplication is the short way to do repeated addition of the same number. The number by which any number is multiplied is known as the multiplier. And the number which is to be multiplied is known as multiplicand. The result of the multiplication is known as the division. We already know the facts. To multiply a number by 1000, we put 3 zeros to the right of the number. For example, if we are going to multiply 23 with 1000, the product will be 23 thousands. To multiply a number by 2000, 3000, 4000 and so on, we multiply the number by the digit in the thousands place of the multiplier and put 3 zeros to the right of the product. For example, if we are going to multiply 228 with 8 multiplied by 1000. So 228 multiplied by 8 will be 1824. If we multiply it with 1000, we will get the answer 18,24,000. Now let us do one more example of 84,326. We have to multiply it with 226. Here the number by which we have to multiply is known as multiplier. And the number which is going to be multiplied is known as multiplicand. So first, 6 being at the ones place, we will multiply the whole number with 6. So 8, 4, 3, 2, 6 will be multiplied by 6. So the product of the whole number will be 55,956. Again, we have to multiply 84,326 with 20. Then 84,326 will be multiplied by 200. So the whole process is going like this. Now the product will be 1,90,57,676. Division. We have learned the division of the number by a 2-digit number in previous class. The method of division of a large number by a 3-digit number is the same as that of division by 2-digit numbers. The number to be divided is called dividend. The number which is going to be divided is known as dividend. The number by which we divide is called divisor. The number obtained after division is called coefficient. And the number left over is known as the remainder. So, let us try to solve this example. For example, we have a number 72,53,892. We are going to divide it with 286. Let us see how to divide this. If we multiply 286 with 2, we will get the answer 572. We have to find the answer which is smaller than 722. We can't divide with the number which is greater than 725. So, 286 multiplied by 2 is equivalent to 572. Now we have to subtract 572 from 725. So the answer is 153. Difference between these two numbers will be 153. Now we will bring 3 down. So it became 1533. Now let us multiply 286 with 5. So we got the answer 1430. Again subtract these two numbers, we got 103. Now bring 8 down. So it became 1038. Now let us again multiply 286 with 3. We got the product 858. Again, the process will be same until and unless we get the remainder, or we get the remainder as 0. Therefore, here when we divide these two numbers, we got the coefficient that is 25,363 with remainder 74. Thank you and have a nice day.